In the Yoruba tradition, no matter how young a king may be, once he is crowned according to the customs, he is regarded as a legend and a true king. Once a king returns from the Apebi, he is then led to the sacred royal ornaments. One of the most important royal ornaments in Yoruba land is the king's crown. When a king appears in a place, no one can mistake him for someone else, because the royal crown clearly identifies him as the king. The king's crown is a highly respected item by both the young and old in Yoruba land, because it is not just an ordinary cap or headwear. It is a symbol of authority and power for the king to lead everyone under him. It is a very beautiful crown, and it is also used to add elegance to the king's appearance. The king wears this crown during significant and majestic ceremonies, such as the annual royal festival and similar occasions. This crown is important and symbolic because it is the crown of authority, the sacred crown, and the crown of leadership over the land. In some parts of Yoruba land, the king's crown is also called Adela, which means the eternal crown that represents the culture and heritage of the ancestors of the Yoruba people. According to the tradition, once the king has successfully passed the required stages, he no longer shows his bare face to the public. Instead, he wears the sacred crown, which usually has veils. Once everything is properly prepared, then his face shall be revealed to the people. They will now behold him. Our ancestors believed that this crown is more than a symbol. It is considered a deity. And when a king wears it on his head, he is spiritually connected with the past kings who have ruled before him. According to legend, it is believed in Yoruba history that Oduduwa, the founder and first king in Yoruba land, gave his male children crowns decorated with beads and sent them out to establish kingdoms of their own. This is why the wearing of the crown has become a necessary and sacred tradition for any king in Yoruba land. The king's crown is a symbol of power in the Yoruba kingdom. Each king's crown is unique to his town because the customs, culture, and history of each town are different. It reflects the identity, traditions, and laws of the Yoruba people to outsiders. The king's crown is not for fashion or mere display. It is the essence and spiritual power of the king to govern the land. As a common Yoruba proverb says, it is the crown that shows a king and the beads that identify a chief